The decisions taken by the Cabinet during the review meeting on the 26th of August 2021 were on the reopening of educational institutions and tourist spots across the state. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, informed the media that schools in urban and rural areas would reopen from the 1st of September this year.
The government of Meghalaya has decided that all colleges will be open from the 1st of September. So all colleges will be opened from 1st of September. Class 6 to class 8, the school visits, and class 9 to class 12 will be open. In rural areas, from class 1 to class 5, there will be school visits. Then class 6 to class 8 will be open, and class 9 to class 12 will also be open.
As far as tourism is concerned, the Chief Minister informed that tourism will start from the 1st of September 2021, but with protocols for all tourists to adhere to.
The tourists, though, will have to come with double vaccination. So tourists who are fully vaccinated will be allowed to visit Meghalaya for tourism-related purposes from the 1st of September. Tourists who are not vaccinated or have only a single dose will have to produce a negative RT-PCR, TrueNat or CBNat report, which will be valid if they have been tested within 72 hours prior to their arrival at the entry point. The tourists will also have to generate an e-invite for entry to Meghalaya through the Meghalaya app of the Meghalaya Tourism Department. It is also mandatory that the tourists who come in should book at least one night stay, either hotel, homestay or guest houses, and declaration of the complete itinerary should be there. Tourists who are staying as guests of any family or friend in Meghalaya shall declare the full address and contact details of the family or friend. At the same time, for local tourists from within the state, they will be allowed to visit any location in Meghalaya or tourism-related purposes if you are fully vaccinated or even single vaccinated. So within the state of Meghalaya, within the local tourist, vaccinated tourists will be allowed to visit, or locals will be allowed to visit different tourism locations.